Welcome everybody. This is a yoga Nidra practice for children. It's a wonderful relaxation practice. You can take it in the morning, you can take it in the evening, getting ready to sleep, or any other time in the day that you choose. So we're going to lie down. If you can, and if you want to, lying flat on your back, but if there's another position that you want to take, then that's okay too. If you're lying on your back, we're going to get the head, neck and shoulders in a straight line. Bring your hands by your sides, palms up, legs are straight, feet apart. And then we're just going to begin by squeezing our feet. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze both of your feet together and let your feet go. And squeeze the bottom part of your legs, your calf muscles. Squeeze and then let go. And then squeeze all of your legs. So both legs together, squeeze, 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 squeeze and let go. And then squeezing your tummy. Squeeze your tummy, squeeze your tummy, squeeze your tummy and let your tummy go. Now squeezing all the way up to your chest. Squeeze your chest and then let your chest go. And then squeezing your shoulders. Squeeze your shoulders, squeeze your shoulders, squeeze your shoulders up to your ears and then let go. And then squeezing all the muscles in your face like you've tasted something really disgusting. Squeeze your face, squeeze your face, squeeze your face and then let go. So now the whole body is beginning to feel relaxed. And you can sigh out of your mouth, breathing out any of your feelings of tiredness, knowing that the body is going to be still just for our practice. And now you're going to become aware of the parts of your body which I say, but without moving them. Just feel the parts of your body and follow my voice without sleeping. Becoming aware of the right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, little finger, the whole of the right hand, the whole of the right arm, the right shoulder, right side of the chest, the right waist, the right hip, the whole of the right leg, the right foot, the toes, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, all 5 toes together. Now let's go to the left hand. Become aware of the left hand thumb, the second finger, the third finger, the fourth finger, the little finger, the whole of the left hand, the whole of the left arm, the shoulder, the left hand side of the chest, the waist, the hip, the whole of the left leg, the left foot, the toes, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, all 5 toes together. And now the 2 feet together, the 2 legs together, the buttocks, the stomach, the chest, the back, the 2 shoulder blades, 2 arms, the neck, head, scalp, forehead, eyes, right ear, left ear, nose, right cheek, left cheek, mouth, lips, tongue, teeth, chin, the whole of the face, the whole of the head, the whole of the neck, the whole back, the 4 limbs, both arms, both legs, and the whole body. The whole body. The whole body. Feeling the contact between your body and the floor. Become aware of the back of the head, the back of the shoulders, the back of the arms, the buttocks, the calf muscles, and the heels. And now we're going to let go of those parts of the body and feel that you are breathing in a lovely bubble. Every time you breathe in, the bubble gets bigger, and every time you breathe out, the bubble gets smaller. Now we're going to count our breath. So breathe in 10, breathe out 10. Breathe in 9. Breathe out 9. Breathe in 8. Breathe out 8. Continue in this way, counting the number of breaths backward from 10 to 0. And now wherever you got up to, leave the count now and just relax your body and become aware of your heart, which is right in the middle of your chest. Making sure that you're breathing in and out of your nose, your mouth remains closed, and you are breathing in and out through your heart. Breathe deeply. Be aware of each breath coming in and each breath going out. And imagine the air you are breathing is a golden colour, like the mist on a really misty day. And you are taking this golden mist into your body through the heart and spreading it through your body. Fill your body with this golden mist. And feel that every time you breathe in, you're cleaning out your whole body with this mist. And it's giving you so many good things. It gives you all kinds of goodness: love, honesty, sharing, understanding, peace, and happiness. And as you breathe out, all of the things that you don't want or you don't like about yourself pass out from your body with your breath. Unhappiness, anger, meanness, dislikes. All these things get carried away by the golden mist. Breathing in and out, cleaning out your whole body, and then become aware of your heartbeat. Listen to the steady sound of your heartbeat and imagine that in your heart the golden mist has collected into a very small golden egg. The golden egg breaks open, and there in your heart, sitting on a beautiful flower, is a tiny little being the size of your thumb. This little being is surrounded by a cloud of bright light. It sits very still and silently, sitting on a beautiful flower there in your heart, and it's sending you love and happiness. Let yourself be filled by this tiny being from the inside of your golden egg. Let yourself be filled by its love. This beautiful little being is sending you so much love, and the more it gives, the brighter its light becomes. It's giving you so much love, you cannot keep it all in. You must send it out to all other people. Think about your parents, your brothers, your sisters, your friends, your teachers, your family. Send this love out to them. Think of all the sick, unhappy, lonely people in the world and send them this love. Think of all the people you do not like and send the love to them. The more love you send, the more the little being in your heart fills you with love. Now become aware of the room in which you are resting your body, and fill this room with the love that now is within you. Filling the whole room with love. Now bringing your attention back to your body, which is lying on the floor, and becoming aware of the room that you are in, imagining this room and any sounds that you can hear from outside. Setting yourself a positive goal, maybe a way that you want to feel today or a way that you want to be, and say it to yourself mentally in three times in clear, simple words. Repeat it 3 times and let it sink deep inside. For example, I am kind, I am peaceful, I am full of energy. And now slowly begin to move your body. And then when you're ready, slowly, please come and sit in a comfortable position, maybe cross-legged, with your eyes closed. And if you want to, you can with me 3 times. Ready? Take a deep breath in. Our practice of Yoga Nidra is finished, so you can blink, open your eyes, and maybe if you have a bit of time now, you would like to draw what you experienced in your practice of Yoga Nidra. So the little being in your heart, what did it look like? What colour flower was it sitting on? Could you feel the little being in your heart? And you could draw anything from your experience of our Yoga Nidra practice. Maybe with your mum or your dad or anyone that you're with at home. Thank you so much for listening. Hari Om, Tat Sat.